there were no grievances, there were issues. Issues which related to their constituency, issues which related a little more to their own तांचे कोणाकडे काही grievance घेऊन तांचे issues. Some they had taken in the assembly, some they had not. Whatever issues have come up, I think we have started with it.
एक मिनिट किती हांगा सगळ्यान viewers चड आयकली. It was not from the opposition. It was from the ruling only. So which means that in 6 months of this government, we have seen to it that the opposition has no grievances. Because we have given a people-friendly governance at the doorstep of the people. We have succeeded. Honorable Revenue Minister has given a lot of insight into the measures, means that they have adopted to make things easier for the Gonkar. हाजे वयल्यान अशें सारकें सिद्ध जाता आनी ऑपोजिशन सिद्ध करून दिता की सगळे खुशाल सगळे खुशाल ऑपोजिशन चड खुशाल हांगा रुलिंग पार्टीचे उलोवंक जायना कित्याक दोगूय आमी रुलिंग पार्टीचे न्ही आमी रुलिंग पूण नॉट पार्टी